Yo, what is going on YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki. In today's video, I'm going to be running you through exactly how to actually buy NFTs for alien worlds. In order to do this, we're going to be using the Wax token. I'm going to be taking you through how to do it as an absolute beginner. I'm not going to be taking you through absolutely every single step, but giving you the basics of how to get started. And I'm also going to leave all the links for you in the top of the description of this video, so it's going to be super duper easy for you to get amongst if you do want to get started. Now, do always remember, of course, these videos are not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. On this channel, we cover blockchain gaming content and we aim to find games that are first and foremost actually fun, and then second to that, have a sustainable economy. If you do find any value at all in today's video, I'd really appreciate a like. It's really easy and free to do, just takes a second. If you enjoyed this kind of content, then do consider subscribing to the channel for more blockchain gaming content. And if you want to see more regular videos from me, don't forget to also just hit that little notification bell as well. Alrighty folks, so the first thing you're going to need to do is actually set up a Wax wallet, alright? That's going to be the first thing. I'm going to leave a link for that in the description of this video. Pretty easy to do to go ahead and get signed up. It's about as easy and takes about as long as setting up an email account. What you can see on screen right now is the actual Wax wallet section. Pretty easy to understand, pretty straightforward. Essentially in the top left of screen here, you've got my WaxP balance. Okay, so I currently have 834.83 WaxP token there. I'm going to be using that WaxP token to purchase 3 NFTs in real time on this video. Now, in order to actually get WaxP, you're going to actually need to get it from an exchange. The exchange that I personally use and recommend is gate.io. So I will leave a link for gate.io in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a benefit if you do use that. And when you hop onto gate.io, you'll need some USDT on there, and you can actually then swap that out for WaxP on the exchange. Then once you've got your WaxP from the USD trading pair on gate.io, then you're going to want to withdraw that WaxP from gate.io and you're going to want to send it to your actual WaxP balance. Now, it's really easy to do. You've got your wallet address here. As you can see here, mine is 55QUA.WAM. Really easy, really super efficient. So essentially it's as simple as just copying that, okay? Or even better, you can press receive on here, okay? And you can literally just copy it from here, press done. You're going to input that into the withdraw section on gate.io, send it over, and the Wax blockchain is pretty quick. It should be over in around 1 to 2 minutes. Now, I've actually already been onto the Atomic Hub marketplace to actually look at some Alien Worlds NFTs. For those of you that don't know, Atomic Hub is the place where you are going to get your Alien Worlds NFTs. And I've actually gone ahead of time and picked out 3 NFTs that I am actually going to purchase in today's video. It goes without being said, just make sure, of course, you do have enough WaxP in your actual wallet before you go ahead and actually transfer the WaxP over from gate.io. So what I would suggest is go on to Atomic Hub and actually go ahead and actually pick out which NFTs you do want to purchase, whether it's land or whatever, and then calculate the total amount of WaxP, okay, and then send it over to the actual Wax wallet from there. And something that is really super duper cool about the Wax blockchain is the simple fact that it is a clean and carbon neutral blockchain, meaning that peer-to-peer trading, guys, on the Wax blockchain is free. So we're talking about it being free, secure, and fast. Fantastic. Alrighty guys, so before we actually go ahead and purchase these 3 NFTs, I actually want to show you my current inventory, okay? So I am in my account to Alien Worlds at the moment, which I have connected to my WaxP wallet. As you can see here, 55QUA.WAM, I am Satoshi Aoki, and this is my Trillium balance up here. And as you can see, I've got the male human and I've got the standard shovel. Now, when you start Alien Worlds for the first time, you will all get the choice between a male human or woman and a standard shovel. Now, what I would say is I'll go into some more detail in another video about the earnings of Alien Worlds as it currently stands in the sort of second quarter or the third quarter of June 2022. But at the moment, guys, the standard shovel, you're not going to really be able to make a great income off that, in my personal opinion. You're going to want to purchase some more NFTs if you are looking to potentially turn this into a job. All right, so the 3 NFTs that we're going to purchase today are going to be the Dracos Axe, number 1, the Processing Ring, number 2, and number 3 is going to be the Large Explosive. Now, each of these particular NFTs serve slightly different purposes within the ecosystem of Alien Worlds to essentially accumulate NFTs and TLM. In this video as well, there is also a really handy little link that I actually used here to actually decide which NFT tools I did want to purchase, and it is from Metagrades. What are the best tools for mining in Alien World? And what's really cool is this was actually updated March 4, 2022. So it is quite relevant because I did actually find that there was not too much relevant, or sort of recent, I should say, sort of tools and resources about Alien Worlds in 2022. But as you can see, you've got all the information information on the NFTs here. You got your name, your rarity, your ID, max issuance type, charge time, POW, your TLM, your NFT luck, TLM efficiency, NFT efficiency, and your total efficiency. All right, so let's go ahead and purchase the Dracos Axe. So we're here now. The price is 255 wax, currently valued $20.53 US cents. So let's click buy. Creating your own transaction. Transaction successful. How fast was that? Literally seconds. Listing was bought by 55QUA.WAM. That's me on this date. I mean, absolutely fantastic. Green and efficient blockchain. Love it. Second item is going to be the processing ring. So we're going to go ahead and do the same process. Buy that again. Same again. Successful. And the third item is going to be the large explosive and the most expensive item at the moment, 505 wax for $40.70. Let's go ahead and buy. Alrighty folks, so as you can see here, back to my Alien Worlds account. We're just waiting on the last NFT to come through, but I've got my Dracos Axe here. I've got my processing ring, the male human, and the standard shovel. I'm just going to wait for the large explosives to come through. Should be in a moment. But that is essentially it, ladies and gentlemen. So if you've got any questions, comments at all, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time. Cheers.